Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to delete your Amazon shopping history. Clearing your Amazon history can help protect your privacy and keep your recommendations more relevant. So first of all, launch open the Amazon shopping application on your device, or you may also go visit the Amazon official website on a web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged into the homepage of Amazon, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that from your profile page, look for the browsing history option and tap on it. You will then be able to see all of your browsing history on the page. If you want to delete the browsing history, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Now this will open up the option that says remove items. Tap on remove items and this will remove all of the items from your browsing history list. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your Amazon shopping history, and if you ever want to pause the history recordings, you can go back to the gear button at the top right, and then under pause history, go ahead and select for how long you'd like to pause the history. I've selected today. And after you do that, you have also paused your browsing history for the day. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.